Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going through a straight arm wrist extension PAILs and rails sets. So I'm going to be demonstrating how I am now seated on a big box, then I've got a small box here to set myself up onto. But this is something you can explore in terms of setup. You could be doing what we're going to do on the floor, you could be doing standing on a big box, whatever suits you. So for wrist extension, what I'm going to do is place my hand onto the box. I can spread the fingers apart, and then from here what I want to do is take this shoulder over my hand, and then this will be bringing myself towards end range wrist extension. Now there's a few variables I can play with here. So as I go forwards, I can also explore side to side position. I could also explore elbow rotation, so turning the elbow put inwards or outwards, and I can do these in combination. And this will all change how I feel, what is being lengthened on the forearms. So as you go through these movements, what you want to do is just explore, pay attention to various lines of tension, which areas speak the most to you. And then once you've found a good stretch to be in, hold for the prescribed amount of time. And then the PAILs contraction would be to start pushing down into the box. So if I begin, I'll think at 20% pushing down with my fingers, my palm into the box, thinking about contracting back here, what is being stretched. Then I'll start to build it up to 40, 60, up to my prescribed effort, and then hold for 15 to 20 seconds. After which my rails contraction will be to do the opposite. So I want to think, contract everything on the other side, top of the fingers, right here, other side of the forearm, as if I was trying to actively hold this position. Imagine there's a scale underneath your hand and you want it to read as close to 0 as possible. So now I switch contraction, I'm squeezing everything on the other side, almost as if I'm trying to hold on to the stretch that I had before. While I'm doing this, I'm also trying not to let this elbow bend, and I'm holding that effort for the prescribed time, after which I begin to soften, and then I can move slightly further forwards, and once again explore maybe side to side motion, playing with elbow rotation to find a good line of tension.